All right, guys, looks like we got a date with some bacon. That's right, we're heading to get the Bacon Beast at Carl's Jr. / Hardee's, depending on what side of the United States you live. But basically, this thing looks huge. And they got a breakfast burrito and they've got a biscuit. But I don't think they're going to have that at dinner time. So we'll check it out. Maybe they do breakfast all day. I don't know. If they do, we'll get all three of them, okay? We'll sample them all. If they don't, then we'll just get that Bacon Beast burger. All right? Bacon Beast burger. That's a great name. But anyway, yeah, so they're really pushing the Bacon Beast. They got a biscuit, a burrito, and a burger. Man, they got a lot of burgers. That Frisco Angus burger looks interesting. Kind of like on Texas toast. That's interesting. They got some good-looking burgers. Here, chicken club, barbecue chicken, big hot ham and cheese. I forgot how much I used to like Carl's Jr. back in California. All right, we found out we can't get the breakfast burrito with the bacon. We can't get the biscuit with the bacon. Those are breakfast items. So it is dinner time. So we're just gonna review the burger.
$6.39, $6.98 with tax.
$6.98 with tax. We're gonna kind of compare this with the Baconator. I think the Baconator had like about 8 pieces of bacon, but they weren't full-size pieces of bacon. They were like short, stubby strips. So let's see how this stands up against the Baconator. That looks pretty good. Good presentation, good amount of lettuce, good amount of cheese. Got some bacon in there. Can you tell me how many pieces are in the sandwich?
There's like 3 on top, it looks like.
Right, 3 pieces on top.
And probably 3 on the bottom, maybe.
I think the Baconator had more.
Yeah.
Right? Yeah, it's a little skimpish on the bacon there. And it doesn't even look like it's a whole piece of bacon. It looks like it was just torn up.
Okay, go ahead.
I had a piece of bacon already. I took a little piece. It fell out of the burger, really. All right, give us a try. You ready? You see that? Give it a try. It tastes a lot of bacon. It's like loaded with bacon. It tastes really good. I still think the Baconator had more visually. Baconator puts more pieces on. But flavor-wise, I like that's better than the Baconator. So we'll find out from Tammy what she thinks. Pretty good.
I think it's thin bacon, but it's good.
All right, cool. That was 6 and change, right? So it was like $6.90.
Almost $7.
Almost $7. I don't order burgers often unless I'm filming, but they have everything: onions, tomato, lettuce, pickles, and bacon. They have more on this burger going on than I get on most fast food burgers. So very impressive. And realize you can ask for extra pickle, extra mayonnaise, extra ketchup, extra lettuce, whatever you want extra of. Just ask for it, and they'll take care of it for you. I used to always order my burgers with extra pickles, kind of like a SpongeBob himself. Anyway, yeah, this is a good burger, guys. I like this better than the Baconator. So let me know what you think. Let me know if you like it better than the Wendy's Baconator. But this is the Bacon Beast. And I'm going to try and get my hands on the breakfast burrito and the biscuit in a future episode, all right?